everyone, today we're going to be making United Pizza, which uses 3 of the most famous foods from 3 different countries. A naan from India, ketchup from the USA, pepperoni from Italy. We're also going to be using cheese and broccoli.
Yeah, United Pizza! We're being so creative today!
A naan is a very delicious Indian bread, and today we will be using one of the best naans in the market. Now we're going to put 2 of them onto a pan, and look at them, they fit perfectly. Now we're going to apply ketchup. Ketchup is actually better than using tomato sauce because it tastes better on pizza, and that's because it has sugar in it. Now we're going to spread the ketchup along the naan. I have 2 tools, a spatula and a brush. I'm going to see which one works better.
This naan is already very soft.
Yes, and delicious.
Because I guess it has a lot of milk or butter or cream in it.
It's called buttermilk.
They put buttermilk into naan?
Yeah. Okay, first one's done. Now it's time to use the brush.
Oh, actually brush can distribute it more evenly.
Yeah.
So brush will?
I have to see the final product.
Finish baking or finish spreading?
Spreading.
So who is the winner? You're still coughing.
The brush wins. Over here, I have 4 pieces of cheese. That means 2 pieces of cheese per pizza. Now we're going to spread the cheese over the naan. You can use your hands. You don't need to use a knife. The hands are the best tool for spreading the cheese out because number 1, you can pick the sizes you want. Number 2, it's much faster this way.
And most importantly, the cheese will melt when baking.
Yeah, the cheese was spread to the entire naan. You don't need to worry if there's small spaces in your naan or the cheese overlaps because all the cheese is going to melt eventually. Now we're going to put the pepperoni onto the pizza. So grab a bunch and just spread them. But unlike my rising crust pizza, you want to spread the pizza out. The pepperonis out.
You mean you don't want to overlap them?
Yes, because this pizza will not rise. Well, in the rising crust one, they'll move. Even if you overlap them a lot, they'll scoot away. Now that I put all the pepperonis in, I'm done. Now we're going to get the broccoli and spread it around. You should probably put the broccoli where the pepperoni doesn't touch the cheese. So as you can see, I'm spreading them out.
So you mean put the broccoli in between the pepperonis?
Yes, because if you put them on top, it's not going to look good.
I like this color combination, yellow, red, and green.
Yeah, me too. And this part, you shouldn't put on, so you can just eat it. If you don't like broccoli, you can use other veggies like peppers and mushrooms.
We're done?
Yeah.
We can bake it?
Yes.
How about we don't preheat oven this time?
No. Now we're gonna preheat the oven. So we're first going to unlock the oven. Then we're going to bake at 350. Now we're going to preheat the oven.
A few minutes later.
Now that it's reached 350, we can put the 2 naan pizzas into the oven. Now that they're into the oven, we can set an 8-minute timer.
Pizza, pizza.
Now that the 8-minute timer has run, we can turn it off and we can also turn the heat off. Now we're going to take the pizza out.
Ooh, look nice. How beautiful it is. All the cheese melt.
Yes. Okay, now I need to transfer this. I'm going to use 2 of these cake scoopers or cutters. Just going to scoop it up. 3, 2, 1, go.
So you're using a cake scooter to transfer the pizza.
Yeah. Now we're going to let these cool and we're done.
Nice.
Time to try out the United Pizza. Delicious.
How does the naan taste like?
It tastes good. In my opinion, this naan actually tastes better than the pizza dough because it isn't that puffy. Do you want to eat this? Well, if you do, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Bye!